Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a French broccoli casserole. So I mixed up the 1 cup of heavy cream and also buttermilk, and I have these 2 cups that I divided already, and I have French onions and also breadcrumbs, chicken powder, dried parsley, black pepper, and paprika, also salt. Alright, let's get started. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to cut the broccoli in a small piece. Some of them, they only want this side, this part, but this is my favorite part. So I cut it like that. While you're doing this, preheat your oven for 400 degrees. Alright. Alright, this is the last one. The broccoli looks really good. It's fresh. We are going to put this here together. I already put together the milk, buttermilk, and the cream, heavy cream. You need to adjust your salt, just like half a 1/8 teaspoon, because we have cheese there. Now we add the onions, the cheese, and the broccoli. Mix them together. You can also use a cream of mushroom. Since I'm allergic to mushroom, I just find out I can have mushroom. Sometimes if I'm hard-headed, I eat mushrooms. Okay. So now we need to put olive oil on the bottom of the pan, or you can spray it, but I want olive oil on mine. Here's my brush. Just spread the oil on the side. This is good for holidays. But I know it's too late, but I feel like eating casserole. But anyway, this is all season. If you feel like eating, go ahead and cook it like me. I feel eating it, so I'm going to cook it. And now we pour that mixed broccoli here. It's one thing to cook this in Christmas, but no time to do it. Alright, so now we need to spread the breadcrumbs on top. Okay, so we're going to bake that for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so this is the casserole I removed from the oven, and we're gonna spread the remaining cheese and we put it back to the oven like less than 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. There's a lot of calories in this, huh? Then we need to sprinkle some parsley. And a little paprika to just have like a little color on top when that got melt. Alright, so let's put it back to the oven. Alright everyone, here is my friend's onion broccoli casserole. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, God bless you all. See ya.